Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Expedia rewards to maximize savings. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Using Expedia rewards is a great way to save money on future travel, on points and access exclusive deals. So what you need to do is first sign up by creating an account on Expedia website or app. You can join through Expedia rewards section, which will prompt you to sign up for a free account. Now what you need to do is understand Expedia reward tiers. There are basically three tiers, that is blue, entry level, silver, and then gold. And now once you have understood and selected your tier, you can earn points on eligible bookings like hotels. You can earn every hotel booking made through Expedia, from flights, car rentals, activities and tours as well. Use the Expedia rewards program to book hotels and flights that are part of the program, as these typically offer higher points. You can redeem Expedia reward points for discounts on future bookings. 1000 points is equal to $7 in savings on hotel bookings. This can add up over time to reduce your out-of-pocket expenses. Redeem points when you are booking for either part of or all of the booking cost. Depending on the number of your points, you will be accumulated. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.